Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix HP Thunderbolt docking station not working with laptop, USB-C, power and display fix. To quickly fix your HP Thunderbolt docking station, perform a hard reset. Simply unplug the dock from both its power supply and the laptop. Then press and hold the dock's power button for 30 seconds. Once done, restart your laptop, reconnect the dock's power, and then plug it back into the laptop. If a simple reset doesn't work, follow these step-by-step troubleshooting actions. Fix 1. Perform a laptop hard reset. Turn off your laptop and unplug it from the dock, and also unplug the laptop's charging cable. Now press and hold the laptop's power button for 15 to 30 seconds, and then reconnect the charger, turn the laptop on, and plug the dock back in. Fix 2. Check physical connections and cables. Disconnect and reconnect the Thunderbolt cable, ensuring it's securely clipped into the laptop's primary Thunderbolt or USB-C port. Then ensure your dock's AC power adapter is plugged directly into a wall outlet, as the dock needs power to transmit signals. And if you suspect a bad cable, swap it out for a known certified Thunderbolt rated cable. Fix 3. Update drivers and firmware. Go to the official HP Support Center and enter your dock's exact model number or serial number. Then download and install the latest firmware update utility for your dock and install any required docking station drivers. Then check for recent Windows update on your laptop by simply going to Settings and checking the Windows update. Fix 4. Adjust BIOS settings for advanced users. First, restart your laptop and repeatedly tap the F10 key to enter the HP BIOS setup menu. From there, navigate to the Advanced or Security tab and look for Thunderbolt security level and ensure it is set to user mode or unique ID to allow the dock to authenticate. Then, enable Thunderbolt BIOS Assist mode if the option is available, and disable Fast Boot or USB Type-C connector system software interface UCSI in the BIOS, as these can sometimes prevent the dock from properly communicating with the motherboard. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.